May 3rd, 2022. A welfare check on West 5th Street in Los Angeles takes a sharp turn. A simple call for help is about to become a high-stakes tactical battle.
Hey, Laron. Can we see both your hands?
My hand's right here.
I see a right hand. We just want to help you, man. No one's in trouble. Nobody's in trouble. Just put everything down and come out here so we can talk.
Okay. Chica!
Come on, Laron. Just come out here. Leave everything on the ground. Let's talk.
Chica!
Who's that?
There ain't nobody here for you, man.
Who's that? A plant?
Do you have any weapons with you? No.
Not a trick question. You got any guns in there or not?
Chica! Chica!
Or you don't know?
Huh?
You know what the hell you have in your apartment?
Do you have guns in your apartment? Yes or no?
I don't have a gun in my apartment.
You have knives in there, right?
Yeah, a couple knives. Huh?
Hey! Shoot, sir!
This is not the normal situation.
Sir! Sir!
You got a gun?
Yeah. Back up. Disengage.
When the talk stops working, the heavy hitters move in. This is not just about bringing bigger gear. It is about a whole new game plan. Right now, the goal is to lock this situation down and keep the danger inside those four walls.
You need to give up now. This is the last warning. They're telling me I cannot help you anymore. Okay, Laron, you're doing really good. Come on back slowly. Walk slowly towards the front door of the hallway. Walk backwards. Laron, it's only going to get worse.
After that, what's the vapor?
It's going to get worse,
Roger,
Laron.
what's the vapor going in? We have to do
That
that.
window won't help
Going
you.
to right.
You have to walk towards the hallway. It's only going to get worse. Walk backwards, Laron. I know it hurts. That window is not going to help you. You have to come in the hallway. There's nothing in the hallway. Make your way to the hallway slowly. You can do it, Laron. Once you get to the hallway, I'll be right there to help you. Come out to the hallway. Slowly walk backwards, Laron. Not the window. You can do it. Just do it slowly and focus. Walk backwards towards the hallway. Not the window, Laron.
The window and he's trying to get his head out farther out. Both hands were clear. I don't see him anymore. I can just see his head. Sure, 3, looks like he's trying to climb out the window.
Across the street, a marksman has the only clear view of the truth. From this distance, it is not just about watching a target. It is about waiting for the one move that changes everything. They are looking for a reason not to pull the trigger.
And one leg on the ledge. Sierra 3 shot away. The suspect is down, just inside the window.
Just get his hands behind his back. You don't even need to handcuff him. Just, can you see the handgun?
Yeah, both are free.
Okay. Okay, just do me a favor. Hold him just like that. Okay, we have
Step back.
suspect down. And we're in a good spot. We're good to have temps.
After the dust settled, the man was identified as 54-year-old Laron James. On the ground at the base of the building, investigators recovered a loaded semi-automatic handgun that had fallen from the window. It was a ghost gun, meaning no serial numbers and no way to track it. This is a tough reality. On one side, you have officers trying to do a welfare check and save a life. On the other, you have a man in a deep crisis holding a weapon that legally does not even exist. When those two worlds collide, there are rarely any winners. The real lesson here is about how fast the margin for error disappears. When mental health struggles meet untraceable weapons, every second becomes a gamble. It is easy to judge from a screen, but in that hallway, there was no room for a second guess. Looking at how this played out, do you think there was any other way to bring him in safely? Or was the outcome set in stone the moment he reached for that window? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you value these deep dives into the truth, hit that subscribe button and join the community at Blue Line Raw. Thanks for riding with us today, and stay safe out there.